Hi, it's Ryan. Did you know that you can earn over 700 euros for free thanks to Google News? Have you ever heard of Google? Of course you have. Google is one of the largest companies in the world, with millions of people using it every day to search for information, read, watch videos, visit websites, and much more. But few people know there's a super easy way to make a lot of money using Google. In this video, I'll show you step by step a special method I've never talked about on this channel that allows you to make money online using Google. This method has already helped people regularly make $1,000 to $5,000 per month, which is over 4,500 euros per month every month. You can do it for free if you have a smartphone or a computer and an internet connection, since this method is free and works worldwide. The first step is to go to Google and type Google News in the search bar as you see on the screen. Alternatively, you can simply click on this button with the 9 dots forming a square, scroll down, and then click on News to see the available news. You'll be redirected to the home page where you have access to a ton of articles and news. You will notice at the top of the page that there are different categories. For example, economy, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health are some of the most popular topics that people like to read or watch. Let's say I click on the health section. It takes me to this page where I can find more health-related news. You can choose any article that interests you because they are all written by professionals in the field, and any of them can help you generate money. I'll choose this article here. You now need to copy and save the different paragraphs of the article in a Google Docs file. For the second step, now you need to go to the website spinbot.com. As you can see on the screen, spinbot.com is primarily a free tool that allows you to create articles. Spinbot is a text rewriting tool designed to rewrite or paraphrase articles or sentences while keeping their real meaning. It's free and no registration is required to use it. Whether you want to remix articles for a blog, homework, end-of-year research projects, or emails, Spinbot will do the job. Go to the website and click on the paraphrasing tool in the menu. The left field is where you need to copy and paste the content of the article identified in the previous step. As you can see, there's just one click to make on the pink arrow, and Spinbot will help you rewrite the entire text into a brand new article. You can then use the Spinbot technology to write articles in a really original way and use these new articles to generate a lot of money. Before continuing, please like and subscribe so that more people can benefit from the informative content of this video. At this stage, you already have a completely rewritten professional article that you can simply submit to different websites and get paid. In this part, I will present to you 3 different platforms where you can submit this article, because the more platforms you sign up for, the more your chances of making money will increase. The first site where I suggest you publish your article is TextBroker. You can access it by typing the following address in your browser, textbroker.com. TextBroker is a web writing platform that allows outsourcing content creation. It's a 100% legal company that has existed for years, since 2005 to be precise. The platform's clients include major companies listed on the stock exchange, as well as agencies, online stores, travel booking portals, publishing houses, and webmasters. In terms of payment, even if you're not great at writing, for example, if you have a 2-star rating out of 5, you'll be paid around 8 euros for 1,000 words. If you're more experienced, meaning you have a 5-star rating, your earnings could go up to 43 euros for 1,000 words. To register on TextBroker, click on I'm an author in the menu, click on Create a free author account, then on I want to make money by writing texts. You'll land on a page that looks like this. Enter your country, gender, first name, last name, address, phone number, date of birth, and profession. In the specialized knowledge section, check all the fields that interest you. In the identification section, enter your email address and password, check the box, I have read and accept the general conditions, then click on the register button. At this stage, TextBroker will send you an email to verify your identity. Access your email and click on the link to activate your account and be redirected to your dashboard, where you can submit your article for evaluation and payment. As you can see, Google has similar topics, and you can search and combine 3 to 5 distinct articles into one. The second site that will allow you to make money by simply submitting articles is iWriter. You can access it at this address, iWriter.com. iWriter is the fastest, simplest, and most reliable way to write content for your website. You can post a project for thousands of freelance writers, as you can read on the site. You can earn up to $80 or more than 70 euros for just a 500-word article. To submit your article, go to iWriter.com and click on the Become a Writer Today button. You'll need to create a free account, choose the type of category you want to work in, and the type of article you want to write. After that, you'll need to submit your article for review. You'll be paid as soon as your article is approved. The website even has a price list that lets you know in advance how much you'll be paid based on the length of your article and its relevance. The third site is Scripted, available at scripted.com. Scripted is an online marketplace that connects businesses with freelance writers for blogs, articles, and massive social media posts. In short, they'll pay you for all the articles you write. All you have to do is click on the Become a Writer button at the top of the page. You'll be redirected to a page that looks like this. Click on the Apply Now button and fill out the following form to create your account so you can submit your article and get paid. You can be paid automatically 15 days after your work is accepted. Unlike other websites, here you can set your own prices. With TextBroker, you could earn around 150 euros for a 3,000-word article, and for the second site we saw, you could make much more money, up to 200 euros for a 3,000-word article. As for the third site, you can literally double your earnings and generate up to 300 euros for a 3,000-word article. Keep in mind that with this method, you can work in any theme and any category, which is why Google News, in association with the other platforms I presented in this video, is so great. Once you've signed up on several different platforms, you can have multiple sources of income from a single article. The signups are free, and they are often open to all countries worldwide. That's it for today's video. If you found this method useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.